That's exactly right, Matt. And look, never a dull moment when it comes to an OPEC Plus meeting, whether here in Abu Dhabi or around the world. Now, this is going to be very important because there is a lot of uncertainties facing these ministers as they meet today. Chief among them is now US foreign policy. The dismissal of the hardline US National Security Advisor John Bolton has certainly created a number of uncertainties for the global oil market. In particular, news overnight and a suggestion that President Trump could ease back on sanctions against Iran also sent a shockwave through the market, pushing crude oil prices down by around 2%. It's interesting as well because our own Halima Croft at RBC Capital Markets has suggested that if we did see a full easing of sanctions against Iran from the United States, it could result in some 700,000 barrels per day of oil coming back onto a market that already faces a number of uncertainties, not just on the supply side, but on the demand side as well. OPEC Plus was just recently forced to cut its crude oil demand forecast for a second month in a row. The IEA also moving swiftly to pull back on its own demand forecast, and that's because when it comes to the United States and this still unresolved trade war with China, there's a slew of uncertainties regarding global economic growth and how that could potentially translate into crude oil demand as well. So whether or not these ministers will move swiftly to perhaps deepen production cuts really remains to be seen as they work to prop up prices in a time of great uncertainty for the market. So Matt, certainly a lot to be looking out for today.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.